Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss turning multiple choice questions in HTML. These questions are very important for you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see each question one by one. The first question, which tag is used to define an internal style sheet in HTML? In HTML, there are three types of styles: internal, external, and inline. To define internal style sheet, we have used styles. B is the correct answer. The second question, what is the correct HTML element for inserting line break? For new line in HTML, the BR tag is used to define new line in HTML. Question number 3, which attribute is used to specify unique identifiers for an HTML element? ID is the correct answer. 4, which HTML attribute trigger an action when the user leaves an input field? A, onBlur is the correct answer. Question number 5, which HTML element is used to define important text? To define important text in HTML, we can use strong tag. B is the correct answer. 6, which character indicates the end tag in HTML? For every HTML tag, the forward slash is the ending tag. 7, which is the correct HTML for inserting background color? To insert the background color of our web page is, we can write angle bracket body style equals background hyphen color, then colon, we can write any color as we want. A is the correct answer. Question number 8, choose the correct HTML element for the largest heading. In HTML, there are 6 types of headings. The largest one is H1. 9. How can you make text bold in HTML? To bold the HTML text, we can use the B tag, which is a standalone tag. B is the correct answer. 10. Which HTML element is used to define emphasized text? To emphasize text, we can use EM element. D is the correct answer. 11. Where is the correct place to refer to an external style sheet in an HTML document? The correct place for external style sheets referring is the head section. We can put in the head section to refer external style sheets in HTML document. A is the correct answer. 12. Which HTML attribute specify an alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed? Alternatively, when we want to display texts instead of the image, we can use alt attribute, sorry. C is the correct answer. 13. Which HTML element defines paragraph? The P element is that used to define paragraph in HTML. B is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which tag is used to create numbered list? In HTML element, we have two types of lists, either numbered or bulleted. Two lists with number, a list of elements, we can use OL element. A is the correct answer. Question number 15. Which tag is used to create bulleted list? To create bulleted list, we can use unordered list, UL element. C is the correct answer. 16. How do you make text italic in HTML? When we want to make the text italic in HTML element, in HTML document, we can use I element. D is the correct answer. Question number 17. Which tag is used to define subscript text? A. Sub is the correct answer. Question 18. What does the mark element do? In HTML, the mark element used to highlight texts. D is the correct answer. 19. Which attribute is used to provide the path of an image? To provide the path of an image in HTML element, we can use source attributes that for specify the path of an image or URL of the image. B is the correct answer. The last question, which HTML element is used to specify footers for document or section? To specify footers in HTML document section, we can use footer. B is the correct answer, like writing, copyright and other texts. B is the correct answer. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.